That's one of the benefits of the GoPro Karma. Unlock it! Look! Unlock the door. Morning guys, it is Sunday and that means it's a fun day. That means a lot happening this morning. To get the trailer, got to get unloaded, set up for church today, do church, tear it down, back in the trailer, and then everybody to our house today. I hope you're doing great today. If it's been a while since you've given us a thumbs up, would you do that? If you're thinking about subscribing, I'm telling you, this is a great channel to subscribe to. Morning, Lil.
Morning.
How we doing?
Really great.
Did you know 3 years ago is when Holly and I moved here? 3 years ago, we wouldn't be putting out signs. 3 years ago, it was like, there was a bit of panic. And 3 years ago, we had no idea how to meet people and the stories that were gonna unfold. And 3 years later, there's a church. This is Jordan, he's our new drummer. You were in what, the military?
Yes, I was.
And how long did you serve?
5 years.
And when did you get back here to Minnesota?
Last June.
3 weeks ago, you came here to Unlock Church.
Yes, I did.
Right?
4
And now
weeks
you're
ago.
drumming.
I am.
You're gonna do awesome, bro. Beginning of the year, our drummer got a new job. Couldn't play as much. It was like, it hurt a little bit because you're like, oh man, baby church, that's not the direction you want to go. And we just said, you know what, we're going to believe that Jesus is going to do something pretty profound here. We're going to keep sending up the drum set. And if you come over the last couple weeks, why is there an empty drum set? Because we were executing what we read in the Bible, and we're praying, Jesus, send us a drummer, send us a drummer. We have no idea where this drummer's going to come from. Send us a drummer, send us a drummer. What it took was a family to come in that was invited by some friends. They came, they checked it out, they liked it. They began to invite their family. Their family started to come in. All of a sudden, their brother can drum. He's like, oh, why do they got an empty drum set? And I don't know how he said it. This is just my version of the story. Well, we got an empty drum set there. I can play. I wonder if I could play. And then he's at band practice. He's playing this morning. He did a great job. And it's just this is what Jesus does when we ask. Service went great. Tons of first-time guests. Got to see people that come every week. Always fun to do church. Now we got to pack everything back up into this. We're loading the trailer and I look over and my son Inspire is riding the door. Let's just, here, watch this. Just walking to get to my car and just walk. Holly keeps pointing. What was I about to do?
Leave the camera.
Ah! I almost left this. Just sitting outside. All right, we're headed home. Hey, unlock it. Unlock it. Icons locked me out of the Jeep. Unlock it. Look. Unlock the door. Yeah, push it up. There it is.
He locked it.
The footage you just saw of the drone over where the school is, we were flying in about 22-mile-an-hour winds, and it handled well. Look, those shots were so smooth. That's one of the benefits of the GoPro Karma, is that though it doesn't turn super fast, it allows you to fly in high winds and get super smooth shots. The gimbal on the front is, I really like that gimbal because the shots, no matter how hard I turn it, are steady. Lunch done, hung out with some people from the church. Now got to take this trailer back to where we got it on Friday so that it can sleep there till Friday. I started the day out by talking about 3 years ago in March, we moved here. 3 years ago, packed everything we own in this trailer here and moved here. We put air shocks on the Suburban and they're not working anymore. Like, we bottom out all the way here, we were hitting the road. This here was hitting the ground. We can't get it off, it's just a messed up system. All you need to know is that the Suburban's got problems and it's not working, so hopefully this week we switch out what we put on 3 years ago. That just isn't enough because we keep putting more stuff in this trailer here. Trailer is done, it's being left here at the Passion Building. All right, let's head home. All right, we're back home. Now, I'm traveling this week. See you, Rachel.
Bye.
Traveling this week to Atlanta, so I have to pack. Yard pups, come on. Rennie, let's go. Gotta pack, gotta get things ready for the trip to Atlanta. I'm there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's for the church, going to a conference down there.